Good morning, everybody. Well, I guess it's not morning because the hour time change. I don't ever change my clocks. Anyway, today me and Josh are heading to, I guess we're all heading to the Yaquina Bay Lighthouse. Not the Yaquina Head one, the one right across the bridge in Newport. We've been trying to get into that one for a while, but because of COVID, it's been closed down, and I just remembered it today. So that's what we're gonna do. There's a big bird. So that's what we're not going fast. We're going 55. What are you, a nagger now about speed? Ooh, 55 is the speed limit. See, speed 55. Well, whoa. Well, anyway, it's pouring down raining. I tried to do something on the beach earlier, and it was too much rain, just too much. Yeah, I was soaking wet in like 3 minutes. It's that time of the year where everybody here is kind of over the rain because it's been raining all winter. Josh is chowing down on his cookies, he says. But anyway, we'll see you guys when we get there. Times I've been down here, it says one way, wrong way. So yeah, it is pouring down rain today. I don't know if you guys can hear it hitting the window, but yeah.
The traction is still working?
Yeah, it is really. Yeah, they're working on the bridge, bud.
The traction also means that they're destroying stuff.
That's destruction. Construction's building. Destruction's destroying.
The traction is building. Deconstruction is destroying.
Here we are. It is wet out here. Yeah, we're just going inside anyway. Might mean we might have the place all to ourselves. Yeah, there's not too many people here at all.
Someone almost won the war, Dad.
Yeah.
That car is gone
now. There we go. I'll let you guys read that sign there for a second. All right, we are here. Hopefully this place is open. Stop jumping in the puddles, please. Come on.
Please be open, Dad.
I know, yeah, I don't know if it's open. Last time we've been here, well, it looks like the gate's open, so that's good. Here, you gonna say hi? Cookie mouth. Let's go check out this stuff real quick.
That's a big load.
Bunch of info. Here, we'll let you guys read it. I'm not gonna read it. You guys can pause the video.
I'm cold.
Are you cold?
Uh-huh.
Me too. He's cold. Smile, cookie face. You know, look, that's telling you what I always tell you. Always keep your eye on the ocean so that you know what's going on and don't get surprised. All right, give me your hand. Let's get up here to this to this lighthouse. Why do you always gotta cuss something, bud? Oh, look, the gate's open. That means it's open. Let's go check it out, huh?
The rain's getting on my back.
Yeah, it's raining. Put your hood up and it won't do that.
I got it.
See?
I put my hat down.
Oh yeah, I think it is open. Look at that tower, Josh.
That's a rescue tower.
No,
That's a fire tower.
that is a fire tower. These bricks. You definitely had a good view from up here. Rain got in your mouth? Oh no. Rain got in your mouth.
I stayed outside.
It's alright, the rain's not gonna kill you. Oh yeah, look, it says come in. No food or drinks.
No food or drink.
Well, they say this place is haunted. They said it's haunted, Josh.
Let's not go in there when it's haunted.
Yeah, the ghosts don't like rain anyway.
Yeah,
Hey, Joshy.
oh, this is a soft wall. Okay. And this is also soft wood.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not going to fix
Well, this
in the
place-
wall.
This place is old, bud.
This place is 1980s and bad.
In the 1980s is old too.
Oh, look, there's a TV.
Yeah.
That TV's yet on.
Yeah. Got a lot of information.
Dad, look.
Look at what?
Look right there.
Oh yeah, so that's
Whoa.
an oil lamp.
Oh, what's an oil man?
Yeah, it's a lantern that runs off of oil.
The ghost doesn't like rain.
Mm-mm.
So this,
Look at this. Check this out.
oh, that's an oil man?
No, this is a frenzel.
For centuries,
It's how the lighthouse works. See the lights in the middle, and then it shines it way out into the sea so that everybody can see it.
1700s, the Northwest
Dad,
coast
what's this
remained
house?
almost unknown.
What's this house abandoned in the 1700s?
During
Now, it says that they found it useful again in 1888.
seldom mentioned,
They did a total restoration in 1974.
following
These are rough.
the Oregon Trail, thousands of settlers endured hazards and hardships.
No, don't mess with the locks. Why are you always gonna mess with things you ain't supposed to mess with?
That's reading the sidewalk there.
You was just reading the title of it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait, let's go check out the kitchen, bud.
Whoa,
Sorry.
Oh, Dad. Well, the stove doesn't work anymore.
No, it's not. Well, I'm pretty sure you can make it work, but it's not in use.
But if you start it, then it just won't work.
Nah, I think that's a wood stove. You gotta use wood, so pretty sure no matter what, it's gonna work.
I think if this works, hey Dad, I think it's a fire says it goes.
Yeah. Well, we picked a good day to come up here,
There
bud.
I anchor in, Dad. Look, I anchor in.
Oh yeah, this is the pantry. This is where everybody kept the food and stuff.
Yeah, and there's also an anchor in.
Look at that. That's an old wash machine. That's how people use them.
Bar.
Yeah, it is.
I've never been in it, but I have to.
See, look, come here. See, it says, yeah, they stored food and also
Hey, Dad.
everyday items
Hey, Dad.
that they would use.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Joshy,
Come here at this dark hallway I found.
the dark hallway you found?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, that's closed for maintenance too. These old, come here.
I'm not going down that hallway.
Oh, have they down there? We was here a while ago, and the upstairs was open. That was, I think, maybe before COVID. He was so.
It's probably been about 4 or 5 years ago. Right now, they don't have to do anything up there. It's just that stuff just.
Oh yeah.
So it's just, you know, really look at.
I'm scared of the dark, so that's not good.
Yeah, it was he was too young to remember it though, so I was finally like, oh yeah, they opened back up after COVID, I think, so we came out here.
Well, this
Hey, Dad,
year, this
it doesn't
this stuff
matter
just made
what
for
if
open.
the actually is
Last
the
year I was sitting at the
word
picnic table outside.
Oh really?
It doesn't know what if the yard
Yeah, you're lucking out today then, huh?
Yeah, so days like today,
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't even come up here.
Yeah. It's ridiculous out there right now too. I'm over it.
Well, yesterday was even worse. I was up here, we were up
Is
here
the
until about
paradise ghost
2,
here,
2:30, and we finally said, nah, it's fine.
Yeah.
We're done.
Dad.
You don't even have an iPhone to watch TV on or
I
anything?
got my phone.
Oh, all right. I'd fall asleep.
But I sit here and watch
Is
boats
the
coming in and
paradise
out.
ghost here, Dad?
Oh yeah, you do have a beautiful view. What'd you say?
Is the ghost here?
Is the ghost here?
Yeah.
I don't know. Ask him about the
The
ghost.
story's in the book right there.
Yeah. He probably knows. He's in here all day. He probably knows more about the ghost than we do, bud.
They,
Yeah. I
they
think
prefer
when the
we don't
when the
actually
when
talk
the
about it.
when the house
Oh,
starts
really?
today. So I think when the sky starts today, I think when the sky starts raining, then the ghost just goes away and lets people live in their house and check it out.
That's what happens then, if you say so. So when it starts raining, the ghost likes to go away and let people just live their life.
Yeah, I like that idea, 'cause it rains a lot.
Oh no, that means there would never be any ghost. What?
Why do they got their slimer right there?
I don't have the answers to everything, bud. Come on.
Okay, I'm scared of the dark. I'm not even down there.
It's pretty cool. I think this is just where everybody hung out at. Look at that old clock over there, bud.
This is just where everyone hung out at.
Yeah. Well, that's an old, I don't know what that thing was called. Let's read here. I'll probably tell you.
Hey,
Yeah, it's
Dad.
like a wool spinner. You let's go check out the backyard and the restrooms.
Hey, Dad. Look, there's a piece of wood here.
Yeah, that's to stop the door. Put it down. That's a door stop.
Oh, okay.
Well, you have a good day.
You do the same.
Seems like it'd be nice and relaxing in here.
It really is. You know, I was just telling somebody earlier this morning.
Wow, this is
You know,
way abandoned.
It's Saturday, I said the sun was out and very few clouds. The sky had the most beautiful view.
Uh-huh.
I said, then I go up here today,
This
I've got the
house
most
is
beautiful
way
view. It's just different.
abandoned.
Oh, yeah.
And I said, doesn't matter what the weather is, I've got a beautiful view.
Well, yeah. Yeah, you do. It is great.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Joshy.
This house is way abandoned.
It's not abandoned. There's somebody. Look, he's sitting in there. That makes it not abandoned.
Yeah, but everyone else is not.
It's actually only a lighthouse for 3
Everyone
years.
else is abandoned.
Yeah. I was reading that before we came up here. It was only a.
The idea was they were going to put channel lights in out here, which are just lights that are anchored to the bedrock in the middle of the channel.
Yeah.
So when the ships are out in the ocean, they look and they line those lights up. Okay, that's where we got to go. It's right there. The problem being is that this had 3 channels coming into it, and when the tide would come in and out, they moved. Channel lights are useless.
Yeah. Right.
Well, they were already in the process of building Yaquina Lighthouse. So they said, well, we've already got the money, let's just go ahead and build this lighthouse here so that we can, you know, and so they did. And then 3 years later, they finished the Yaquina Head, shut this one down.
I like you Yaquina headlight. For some reason, I like this one better though, because it's like a house, where that one there is just a.
There was, I think, 3 of these built on the Oregon coast. I believe this is the last one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because usually, like when you see pictures of lighthouses,
here.
So you can sign your name in there. You want to put your name on there?
Like,
No. Yeah, I will put my name on there.
like this right here,
Uh-huh.
that little house right there, that would have been an oil room. These were oil rooms. They're not, people weren't living in here.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so they were just, that's just where they stored the oil for the land.
Yeah.
The house was like over here somewhere.
We've been a Cedar Head so many times. I've never been
Yeah, that's just
inside.
down south.
Yeah, I've never been inside that thing. I don't know why.
I've been inside this one, inside this one, been inside, obviously this one.
Yeah.
I've been inside that one, and I've been inside this one. I've not been to this one, or these down here.
And me and him go to Cedar Head all the time.
The one in Milford Ocean.
Yep.
Yep. Is that that was the terrible Tilly one, wasn't it?
Don't write my
I
name
believe
on
so,
there.
yeah. The one up in Tillamook.
Yeah. That one there has a crazy history to it.
Yes, it does. I'm not real familiar with it, but I know that it's, the history behind it is, like, the story is nuts.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
You know. And it's kind of what they're trying to do here is, you know, this was only a lighthouse for 3 years.
Yeah.
A whole lot of history there.
Here, Josh.
Had
Just
one,
sign your name.
had one lighthouse keeper.
You do it for me.
Not a whole lot of lighthouse history.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it
A
in
lot
my
of
home.
history out there. Newport's got a huge amount of history.
Oh, yeah.
I changed my mind.
You change your mind. You don't want to write your name on there? That's all right.
So what we're trying to do is, instead of just having lighthouse history, we're gonna put like Newport history.
Yeah.
Why
And take the ropes down so people can actually go into the rooms and touch stuff and, you know, have it be a more interactive historical
Yeah, yeah.
walkthrough.
Well, yeah, so I'm from Baltimore, and back there, the history is thick. Yeah, it was real thick back there, and it's something I never appreciated when I was,
Yep.
my whole life growing up there. I never appreciated it, but now that I've been out here, I've been like, oh, yeah, you know, I was actually reading that back there, some of the buildings in Baltimore are actually older than the United States.
Yeah.
I'm like, that blew my mind.
Yeah.
And I always wonder why on the West Coast they don't preserve the history like as much as they do back there. You know, they preserve all that back there, the war history, the everything.
Hey, up there, there's the fire station that we saw. That's the thing.
Oh yeah, that is the fire station that we saw.
Uh-huh.
Is that?
Do you know where Sunset Bay is? Coos Bay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, if you go down to Coos Bay, you
Uh-huh.
go through Charleston, and it takes you to Sunset Bay and then up to Shore Acres.
Yeah.
And then there's some World War II artillery bunkers up there.
Oh, is there?
Go tour.
Oh, I gotta check that out.
Yeah,
then.
it's really cool.
I've been down there 100 times at Shore Acres. I don't know why I've never seen it. Well, you have a good evening.
You do the same.
You have a good fun evening.
Vent evening?
Yeah. Let's come out the back door then. Let's come out the back door.
All right, we're going. It says,
Oh.
please open door carefully.
Yes. Okay, we're out there.
All right, watch out, don't slip. Move.
It stopped raining.
Oh, it did stop raining, huh?
The cow bit.
All right, after
This guy
a long
stopped.
talk with the cool gentleman in there,
This guy.
we're moving on.
This guy put a diaper
I
on.
guess this was a storage.
Hey, Dad, this guy put a diaper on.
Oh, did it?
Uh-huh.
Sky put a diaper on, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that restroom's closed. So the upper part, oh, look at this fire tower. Here it is, that's where the lighthouse light is for the lighthouse. Up there, Josh.
Hey, Dad, I see a big truck.
Oh yeah, you do see a big truck over there, huh?
It's at the dump. It's at the. And I think that's at the shooting range.
It's not the shooting range.
What's that? Other truck in place?
Oh look, here's the garden, bud.
Mm-hmm. This is the grave.
This is not graves, it's a garden. I wonder if they still...
Where they check out their plants?
Oh yeah, it's where they grow their food and herbs. This is probably a herb. It looks like one. It's probably catnip. No, it's not catnip. I don't know what catnip looks like.
Have a good evening.
You have a good evening. That guy gets to have a good evening. He just gets to sit up there and...
Relax.
Ouch. That was a sticker bush. Yeah, he just gets to sit up there and relax.
Relax. Relax.
Relax.
I thought that was a mud puddle.
Thought it was a mud puddle.
Build a drain.
Yeah, we're not gonna walk on the... We're not gonna walk on the grass. We're just gonna get a view of this side.
Don't sit in that mud puddle.
You don't step in the mud puddle. That's a cistern that he was talking about, I think.
Where?
Right there.
That thing that's leaking?
No, that's just a water spout.
If the spider goes up the water spout,
Yeah.
and when the rain comes in, the fancy spider comes out.
Yeah.
My hand.
Are you scared? What do you think of this place, huh?
Pretty cool.
Is it pretty cool? It is pretty cool, huh?
I hate 7 days.
What do you hate 7 days for?
Just because
Just because what?
I love you.
I love you too.
The right hand side. Dad, this place is haunted.
Yeah, that's what they say. They say it's haunted.
Yeah, but the ghost is see. Well, the ghost comes back to your eyes when the rain has stopped.
Yeah, see right here.
What?
This is a cistern. It's a...
What? A pile of stone?
Yeah, it's a tank that's used to store rainwater caught in gutters along the roof. Flows through the downspout into the cistern.
Why can't we open
It is then hand pumped at the kitchen sink, providing water for household use. Oh, hey Joshy.
Well, why can't we open it?
Cement it's shut right now.
Oh.
That's why. Ooh.
It's like we're on the train while we pass through those fences. Hey, Daddy, there's an American flag.
Yep. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it.
Choo, choo.
Hopefully you guys liked it. If so, like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever it is you do. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Here, you gonna say bye?
Bye. Give me a yank on my Beam and G video.
His Beam and G video.
Bye.
Alright y'all have a good evening, night, whatever time it is there.